Hi, how are you? Nice to see you. Hi, how are you? This is our ambassador to the United Nations, my head of cabinet. Thank you. When did you arrive? Yesterday?
Well, actually, I'm here for the last 5 days because I based myself to travel around the States and what we have very
Important diaspora here.
important diaspora, especially Chicago, Boston, and it's going to be the I'm not suffering from jet lag.
You're doing also in Canada, or you just staying in the States?
That is time I can stay with, I think, next couple months, so we can pass.
Thank you. Have another.